So I'm back with another good and wonderful beat from RnB beats. So let's see how it goes. So let me. Okay, hear the piano sound. Wow, you can hear how the sound is so sweet, cool, so sweet and cool. Wow, I really love the sound, so nice. So let's move on to the violin. So I get this violin from Purity. If you want to download it, just go search for Purity, and just search for Purity on your YouTube or your Chrome. You find out, and Purity have different VST you need. It have guitar, it have bass guitar, it have piano, different. But I found this one from violin. So let's hear. So this, so is this the violin sound? So let me enter into the piano roll so that you can see it more. You can hear how it sounds, so sweet. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm feeling it. So guys, so let's move into the bars. So this bars also use the same chord progression with the violin, or added some 808 type of vibe. Stand. So this is it. So let's move on to the Purity sound. I get this one from Purity. I added two VSTs. I added koto and banjo into it, and it makes more sense together. So let's hear the sound. Let's enter into the corporation. Can you hear the sound? Yeah, feeling it, bro. Yeah, nice melody, guy. Yeah, feeling it. And I also get this bass from FLO Studio. If you want to search for it, it's in FLO Studio. You just have to find Hammer. Then you easily see it. And if you enter into the Hammer, you find it. If you want to search for the bass, just search for simple bass. It's from there I get it from. So it's more easier there. So for my piano, I get it from DSK acoustic keys. So just go and download it for your own good. So now we'll move into the kick, the snare, the clap, the hi-hats. So let's move into the hi-hat first. Let's move into the hi-hats. The hi-hats, bro. So you can hear normal London vibe of hi-hats, normal drill, normal R&B hi-hats. No, I take this. I get this hi-hat from drill beats, but I mix it with R&B. You understand? You can see it sounds like R&B because it's cool. Because the tempo is 130. Understand? It's not 145 or 150. To be more faster, it's 130. So it's more. It makes more sense. So let's move into the clap. Maybe add the clap to everything. You can hear now. Yeah, nice one. So let's move into the PS. This PS, yeah, into the violin first. We'll place our violin. Then, yeah, let's put the bars on the violin. Let's start with the bars on the violin. Then we'll move into the piano, the violin, the bars, and the piano together. Then on the third row, the kick, clap, snare. The snare can follow with this second row. Yeah, to be okay to follow the second row. Then the third row, all the instruments can come into the bass line. Yeah. I go see you Saturday arrange. So let's hear the beat. You can see how the beat is so simple, cool, and nice. I'm really feeling the beats. Nice one. So let's hear Purity song. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, David 15 Gaming, David 15 Studio channel. Jesus. Forget to leave, guys. Jesus.